Oh, hello, Charles.
Hi, buddy. Sorry I'm leaving you again. I'll be right back. Goodbye, buddy. Good morning, guys. So we are going to the auto store right now because we're gonna get some oil to do some maintenance on the motorcycle. It would be nice if I grabbed my keys. So we'll say hi to Charles again. Oh, hello, Charles. Hey, buddy. All right. Sorry, leave me again. Goodbye. You know what? Charlie, come on. Let's go. Come on. Ooh. Come on. I can't say no to that face. All right, so I guess me and Charles are gonna get some oil. There we go. Actually, we'll give them the full view. There you go. All right. You know how they say happy wife, happy life? Well, happy dog, happy. Not Peter going crazy. Oh, O'Reilly's. Okay, Charlie, I'll be back, okay? Watch the car. One just in case. Also need some brake cleaner. Oh, you help me figure out what oil filter I need?
Got a car?
Oh, it's a bike.
$11.99 and $19.99.
It's the $11.99, the black one. Perfect.
57,148.
So an extra $10 for chrome.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, some of those guys are.
Hey, Charlie. Oh, such a good boy. I'm sorry you're bored, buddy, but that's what happens when you beg to come. I don't know, maybe you just enjoy being with Dad. Does any of you ever feel like your dog actually doesn't like you? They only put up with you because you feed them? I hope he likes me. All right, well, see you guys back at home. Charles, place. Good. Sit. Sit. Good. Down. Good. All right, stay. All right, so oil changes are pretty simple, especially on a bike, but all you need is something to catch the oil with. A new filter for my bike is 57148. You can get a chrome or black one. The chrome is like $10 more, but I got a black one because I don't like chrome. So I'll be using Mobil 1 V-Twin 20W50, and this is just to clean up any residue oil that gets onto the bike. Need a flathead screwdriver, and this is just to untwist that drain plug. And then, I almost forgot, also need a funnel to add the oil. Pretty straightforward. And one more tip, if you guys have some cardboard or just something to lay underneath to prevent any spills, so keep your garage clean, guys. And always make sure to put away your tools so you can find it next time. All right, so step one on oil change is that you need your bike at operating temperature. So make sure the bike's in neutral. Start it up. So yeah, you can let it idle or take it around the block like I just did. All right, so with my bike, the dipstick is actually here, which is kind of strange, but nonetheless, what you do is crack that loose so that when you go to drain your oil that there's some ventilation and that the oil drops faster. The next part would be locating the drain plug. And so on my bike, it's actually this tube here, which is kind of strange. On regular bikes and most things, it's an actual plug that is on the bottom of the motor. But with mine, it's literally just this tube. So all we're gonna do is loosen this with a screwdriver, pop this plug off, and then drain the oil. Another tip is that if you're changing the oil on the kickstand, and since the bike is leaned over a little bit, is to lean it upright. And while that's draining, you can take a secondary pan and put it right under here so you can remove the oil filter. And then if you have trouble taking this off, you can get an oil filter wrench or you get the ones with a cap. That's why you stick a rag underneath there when that happens. And then what you should do with all the filters is take some of the old oil and lubricate the ring. And then when you put this filter back on, make sure this is just hand tight. Oh, and we're lucky that the sticker's at the bottom so you don't see it, so cool. That black filter looks so much better than that chrome. I'm sorry for all you guys that like chrome, but just too much is too much. All right guys, remember this? So we're gonna do 2 quarts for right now, start with the bike, and then check the dipstick after that. And then if we need more, we need more. Most likely we need another half a quart after that to make it 2.5, possibly 3. I believe the motor calls for 3, but we do whatever the dipstick says. All right, so you tighten that back up. Start the bike up to operating temp. You also look for any leaks. While that's running, I usually try to dump the old oil. Wipe it off, check again. Alright, sorry about that guys. The battery on my camera actually died, so I wasn't able to show you the rest of the video. But basically, that was the end of the oil change. The instructions that we did for this bike is pretty similar to any other bike, to even cars. So it's pretty straightforward on how to do an oil change. So I highly recommend that you try it yourself and save some extra labor costs from the shop. And if you guys are interested in real estate and finance related topics, then make sure you check out my Sunday videos because that's when I post that kind of content. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe because I have a lot more content coming up for this bike. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one, all right? Take care, guys.